Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the managing director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. And the title of this video, as it suggests, we're discussing when will these new special tourist visas be available. And from a recent article in The Nation, that's nationthailand.com, article is titled Cabinet Okays 9-Month Visas for Foreigners. I urge those watching this video to check out that article. There's a lot in there. But specifically for the purposes of this article, for purposes of this video, we are discussing this specific quote, which it says, "This measure will start from next month." That's a direct quote. Now, exactly when remains to be seen. They were talking about the Phuket model being brought online in October. Then they said, no, that's not going to happen in October. They pushed it back. Then when they were discussing it again, they said, well, maybe late October. I think it is relatively safe to presume this quote-unquote special tourist visa scheme probably will come online in a legal sense at the end of October. That means, as a practical matter, we're probably looking at visas being issued with respect to this type of visa. I would presume no earlier than early, maybe, but more likely middle to later November. Again, a lot of speculation going on here, but just sort of based on my experience of dealing with the immigration apparatus, how long it takes to implement new rules, get people accustomed to the new guidelines, I think it's pretty safe to presume that the majority, well, September, we're already midway through. I don't see this happening in September. I think the majority of October, probably not. And when it does come online, yes, it will be available, but then one will have to start processing things. The rules for processing have to be put in place. So, they may pass a resolution through the cabinet and give it the force and effect of law, but there have to be regulations put into effect, and that takes a bit of time. So again, as a practical matter, when are we going to see these visas actually issued out? I do think we'll see them before the end of the year. I don't know exactly when, but I think maybe first week, second week November, something like that at the earliest, is probably when we're going to see issuance of actual special tourist visas being promulgated in embassies and consulates abroad from the Kingdom of Thailand.